Hello everyone. This will be our 10th video on how to integrate for asset management analysts multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. Today, I want to talk in detail about the ROI, the strategic benefits, and the follow-up plan of this multi-agent AI system. I want to understand clearly how all these elements are integrated to improve our management. What can you tell us about it?
The main objective of this project is to transform asset management, optimizing processes, and reducing costs. This translates into a return on investment, ROI, significantly higher than traditional contracting. In addition, it enables smarter resource management, which contributes to continuous improvement and business sustainability. Let's break down how these benefits materialize and what impact it will have in the medium and long term.
Great. Let's start with the cost-benefit comparison. How does this system translate into savings and competitive advantages?
The system automates repetitive tasks and reduces reliance on dedicated personnel for manual processes, significantly reducing operating costs. By minimizing errors and streamlining decision-making, rework is avoided and resources are optimized. This allows us to reallocate human talent to tasks of greater strategic value and reduce response times. It also improves traceability and transparency in operations, providing a competitive advantage over the traditional model and allowing for more efficient and profitable management.
That sounds very convincing, but what about indicators? How will we measure the impact of the system?
An essential part of the plan is the establishment of KPIs and success metrics. We will measure, for example, the reduction of operating costs, the response time to incidents, the reduction of errors, and the improvement in process efficiency. In addition, we will be able to analyze the degree of system adoption within the organization and user satisfaction. These indicators will be updated in real time, giving us a clear and objective view of the system's performance, allowing us to proactively adjust strategies and ensure that we meet the established objectives.
This visibility is crucial to evaluate the success of the project. What ongoing monitoring and evaluation plan do you have in mind?
We have designed a follow-up plan that includes constant monitoring of KPIs, quarterly reviews, and internal audits to identify opportunities for improvement. In addition, feedback loops will be established with users so that any necessary adjustments are implemented quickly. Periodic training will be conducted to ensure that staff take full advantage of the system's functionality and remain aligned with changes and improvements. This ensures that the system evolves and remains optimized based on business needs and changes in the environment.
That will give us a robust tool to ensure that the investment continues to generate returns over time. How do you envisage scalability and adaptation of the system in the future?
We have provided strategies for scalability through a roadmap of incremental improvements. The modular architecture of the system allows us to incorporate new agents or additional functionalities as the company grows or as new needs arise. We have also considered integration with other enterprise platforms and tools to maximize interoperability and enhance the value of the system. This ensures that the solution can quickly adapt to market changes or business expansions while maintaining its efficiency and alignment with strategic objectives.
It is essential that the solution is adaptable and can evolve along with us. Could you summarize the strategic benefits of this approach?
Of course. In summary, this system offers us reduced operating costs. By automating processes and minimizing errors, increased efficiency and agility, thanks to real-time data and predictive analytics that enable proactive decisions. Competitive advantage. By transforming asset management and optimizing resource allocation. Continuous innovation. With a monitoring plan that ensures the evolution and scalability of the system. Greater control and transparency. Enabling managers to make informed decisions based on accurate data. Flexibility and adaptability. Through a modular architecture that facilitates system expandability.
It is very clear to me. With these benefits, we will not only improve our operational efficiency, but also ensure a sustainable improvement in our financial performance and greater long-term competitiveness.
Exactly. The integration of this multi-agent system with AI gives you a solid strategic advantage, transforming the way you can manage your assets and delivering a significant return on investment. Constant monitoring through KPIs and the ability to adapt and scale ensure that you will always be ahead of the curve and ready to meet market challenges.
Perfect. Thank you for this very complete explanation. With this monitoring and evaluation plan, together with the clear definition of KPIs and the scalability strategy, we have a clear roadmap to maximize the impact of this innovation and ensure its sustainability over time.
I am convinced that this integrated approach will not only optimize your operations, but also consolidate a long-term competitive advantage.
I am convinced that this project will take us to a new level of efficiency, innovation, and competitiveness. Could you please provide me with the contact of someone to further advance this project and implement it in my company?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.